Greetings and salutations. My name is Tish and welcome to the Artist Haven, where home plus art equals heart. In today's video, we are going to do a mashup, mix-up craziness on 2 canvases instead of just one. And we're going to use the leftover paint from our Astroglide and our coconut hair serum pours. I got my canvases ready, so let's get down to it. Thanks for joining me. I'm Tish and I'm the artisan and owner of Happenstance Furniture and Sundries. So, I got my 2 canvases prepped. I got my dirty cup ready for my dirty pour. And colors. I don't know how exactly I'm going to do this because I don't want some colors mixing, and some colors mixing will be okay, but I still don't really want them to mix. But we're going to go for it. I kind of put extra black on here so you can kind of see there's a seam, but I want to try and get it, they're not quite square, I guess. I'm trying to get it so it's not, so there's not so much leaking between the two. It looks like one big canvas until I pull them apart. That's the goal anyways. Okay, so what I got here is Artist Loft Emerald Green, a custom pink that I mixed up, Artist Loft Yellow, Artist Loft Red, Artist Loft Metallic Cobalt Blue, Artist Loft Copper, a custom orange that I mixed up, and there's a wee little bit of this purple still left. I added a little bit of black to it just to give it some more body, and a little bit of Floetrol and water. Let's see, for information on how I mix these paints, I will put the links to those videos in the description box below. So let's start figuring out how we're going to do this. You know what I'm going to do is a little bit of black on the bottom of this cup. A little bit of black. And that'll be that. And then we're going to go from black to pink. And just for giggles, I'm going to put a little bit of white in there. And a little bit of gold. All right, here goes nothing. All right, let's torch this. Let's move this one off to the side. Oh, he wants to bring his friend. Okay. Now let's tip this guy. A little bit of mud on that one, but not, I don't know, I kind of like it. All right, next one. All right, let's torch these. Okay, I'm liking this. Let's let them sit for about 15 minutes, 20 minutes, and I'll be back. Welcome back. I've been painting today, can you tell? Anyway, let's go over this one here. I really like this one. It's very trippy, lack of a better word. This right here, that's delicious. That's like chocolate right there. And I don't think the color's muddled too much. I think it's just so much color it looks like it did. And there's a little bit of white there. A little bit of white there. That corner again. And black peeking through. All those bright colors, and that blue is metallic, so that's really going to pack a punch. Okay, so there's the first one. Okay, let's bring it up close. I like that. It's wispy and silly, and I don't know, I think it's like the best of everything. Maybe not for everybody, maybe not for everybody's taste, but I really like it. If I had actually wall space in my studio, I would probably hang it up in my studio because I love these ribbons. Look at those ribbons. And that little bit of deliciousness. And the flow. I love the wispies in that corner. And there's the two paintings for today. If you found value in today's video, please click that like button. And if you liked this video and like to see more, please click the subscribe button and click that little notification bell as well, and that'll let you know when we go live or when we upload new content. Thanks for joining me. Peace, love, and happiness.